tell you how to behave. So let's just look at an example, ladies and gentlemen, of a Nintendo for back in the day cost $130. Now, if you're, let's say you're going to a garage sale or even at a resale market, you can go ahead and pick one up for $20, okay? And probably in a couple more years, they're going to start going up in price because the scarcity of economics will start hitting effect. But let's just pretend at one time when they first came out of the market, you could pay $120 for them, even though I know now you guys can pay game souls, which would be a lot more. But then, as time has gone on, their value kind of decreased, and you could be able to pick them up for $20. Now, regardless of kind of inflation or anything like that, let's look at, though, what was kind of the price decrease from $130 to $20, regardless of how far in time that it went. So there's one more ratio we need to discuss. Rather than the part over the whole ratio equals to percent part over 100%, the last one we're going to do is price decrease over original price. Okay? So that is the same thing for price increase, ladies and gentlemen. You will have a price increase problem as well. It doesn't matter if I write price increase or decrease. You're going to want to write the exact same things up there, okay? So we have price decrease, price original increase. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, what we need to do is determine what was the decrease. So I subtract 120 minus 20. I'm sorry, 130. Minus 20 all over the original price, which was $130. Right? So what I have is 130 minus 20 is 110 divided by 130. So now what I need to do is determine what exactly is this percent. So again, we go back to long division. Oh, whoa, 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 sorry. Before we can do that, let's simplify. So this will be much easier, 13 divided into 11, right? Always look to simplify. So 13 does not go into 11. So I'll have a point. But once we have that point, now we can add all these zeros. So 13 does go into 110. And what we say it was 8. 8 times 13 is 104. Subtract. We get 6. 13 doesn't go into 6, so let's bring the next 0. 13 goes into 4 times. 13, no, yeah, 52. And that gave you 52, right? But we're only going to do to the tenths. Actually, let's do the next one. 52, that subtracts. That brings you down to an 8. 13 would go into 80. 4 would do 5, 6. So now, 0.846. And if we want to convert this to a percentage, then I just multiply by 100. And we'd say that the price decrease is 84.6% decrease. Okay, so the value, you know how they compute? Oh, this thing has lost 84.6% of its value. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here's an example of how they compute the percentage in value of lost or in gain. So again, I'll remind you, it doesn't matter if you're doing price increase or decrease. You just change the letters, but you're still going to find the difference. Okay, cool, John? Make sense? Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, everything that I went over today will be on your test.